This voice note is made by Biafrans, when meaningful Biafrans, and I would like you to listen to what they said. And it is very, very interesting, to be honest. I want you to pay attention to listen to what they said and tell me what you think about it. So welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and please share it. It's very, very important you do so. I would like to read your comment, of course, very, very important as well. So without wasting much of your time, please hear this.
Ben good man, Nukuma the Kalaka na Biafra media warrior. I am one year by me, he gave me why I'm a quality. I am a head to put in the Isiabaka Horno. I am Yonia game. I am Andy Jemba, the funny. I am Andy Gasu, Chelana Mabia, or Dick Hassi Waypo. I am Andy Nalo, Nilo, Nana Halo underground. Ben good man in Alo Nilo. The Palestinian tunnel, less than 7 months. Still a Palestinian. Gafe in higher Gafe. Gafe border Jikohan Israel by name Israel. Sina tunnel Putilo. Even tunnel Halo. Moto Yabanimi less than 7 months. And no 9 DOS non a tunnel since 2 years. I have forever had a one. I have forever had Bupiter. Your Bulgodo can I to one on Apatanimon. When I do to know where he had you go on up Tani Kuku Hanari Abaji. Now, how about part of sit at home, carry on. Then good man now, Lucy Ball in our life for our call again. Now, how sit at home or carry on, room was one in the Biafra Jacka respect your one. I'm working a harbor part of Yemen and Finland, on your one you put a harbor part of it. Ihana Guakita name was a Biafran government. I'm as IPOB. Biafran government can we don't talk about IPOB again. How can the command and control? The IPOB is not involved. Another Kuzoku IPOB had a Kuzoku Biafran government. Ndị Canada agwala ede n'afọ IPOB ben good man na-alụ ọrụ ọmụ ị na-arụ na-akwụghị n'azụ onye nwaanyị gozie gị anyị eji ekpere na-apụ n'ukwe na-abaki up o sie ike anyị ejekpọ ndị akwa ọcha ha bịa mana ọ bụkwa ma nke anyị emenwu anyị ga na-eme ya wee ruo na Chineke aza anyị okwu nke ikpeazụ onye ndu anyị apụta were ọnụ ya sị ndị niile kwu na grupu a jideni ka unu ji unu eme na m obiọma n'ime ebe nnọ na kemgbe a nọ n'ime na ihe kara m obi nji wee ga nọdụ ebe a na ihe na-aga n'ilo Simon apụtakwuo kwuo ndị nke m fụ n'anya unu emekwuona m obi aṅụrị kemgbe a nọ n'ime unu mere obi aṅụrị na nwa few days a na jem phone m ndị blind of network na unu mere m nọdụ on a higher side. Anyị agbanye egbe anyị enu mana ihe anyị na-eme dị mma maka na Simon kwere anyị nkwara nna anyị ka nọpụta ha eme handover ndị DOS ka na-ede tụrụ ịmapụ afọ echefuru for 3 years amadị na ịmapụ afọ ka dị ndụ. Today ịmapụ afọ bụzi ya bụ onye na-alagharị ile n'ọgbọ na DOS IPOB is not part of Yemen na Finland. Ebe kwara ka ha nọ hapụta n'ilo ka ndị mmadụ fụrụ ha na DOS nke ha afọzi ha anya sisi ya nna ndịkanụ napụrụ n'ime ama napụkwu ozi underground fuo ben good man ka m ngọlọgọ fọndụ onye nwaanyị chekwaba na n'ụtụtụ chekwaba n'ehihie chekwaba n'abalị ọkụnụ ha bịa ije ụkwụnụ ji bịakwụnụ eji wee na unu eji mmaji wee na-achị azụ ihe aṅụrị ya abịa unu n'ihu ihe alịrị ya eso unu ebe ọbụla unu nọ ngọzi ya na-eso unu ọfọ ka anyị na-asụrụ unu n'ala ọfọ ka anyị ji debere unu n'ihu ngọzi Chineke buo ụzọ bịara unu azụ mmụọ na-agbalụ ndị Biafra ọgụ ya gbalụ n'ọgụ ebe ọbụla unu na-eje site n'ụbọchị taa wee dịrị gaba nke ebe anyị yọnyọrọ Chukwu na ndị ana onye Biafra na obite ngọzi odogwu eji mara obodo na ayọ n'afa Chukwu na ndị ana ka mbe nọ ya dịrị anyị niile mma ise ugbu a nwanne m thank you very much rapụ ndị ala a na-akpọ DOS a na-aka osi akọ si gị na abụrụ part of the thing na nwere gburu bụ part of it ndị ala unu atụrụ votu ndị evio I like I'm over and why the thing touched him well. I'm very, very happy. Very smart guy. Watwakara Koyeli, Nako bullshit. I get some voice where I am very, very happy. Government will not know another. Can you the end of you? And I put DOS. Can you make a Julun? And I go see Iko. We are not part of it. We'll be part of it. This guy will look who I am. And I go IPOB. Then I go different government in exile. When you have more powerful. More powerful than more powerful or more man. Can you even have a make yourself? It's not with DOS. I close with that thing. This guy will go Amaka. Fuke Dio. Namon the Kalopataka hand you according to Simon Eba, our Prime Minister. But you listen at home, was not to whom Navada Cavaderia, set home Cardia. Master Namorica Balgasegi, and Bob naturally and get on one issue or upside down. Sometimes even I can't radio Biafra nonsense. You could mean one and be this. Sin and they are Boguchive, when I own the mother's name, Wokurin. DOS need the tickets to the cake, even a top bottle. Vama Manati Faneme, they can never know what they are doing until Namonte Carapata. If I go Agua Bosiana, Tinico, Pichia, 200 million. Can you go moon? One name you seek an Uga Macao. Thank you very much. Giving people advice. Open and more just forget you who's open a platform. No, this can people do go on your do open far. People need is enough, ma. Or one need is enough, ma. I don't blame you people. You Nigeria Biafra, I doesn't blame you people. Because you people are plant people. You people doesn't know anything concerning freedom fighting. Or just pro or fortune. Also, no, not showing you belly. Also, no, not showing you belly. Wait for coming of someone. Wait for the coming back of someone.
Okay, you have heard it all from the Biafrans. I love to share the opinion from Biafrans because they just pour out their feelings and they're not trying to hide their words. These are the people that make things to happen. You are fighting for Biafra, you are doing this, you are doing that, is for all people like these people that you just listen to. They are not a cabinet member, they are not a member of DOS, they are not holding any power, any position, but they can tell you, okay, who is fighting for them. That's why I always say that no matter what you claim that you are doing for Biafrans, if Biafran did not, count on you, you are doing nothing. So Uche and Mefor actually have something to say. Something that I've been complaining about, why our people are doing this and doing that. And the reason is about envy and jealousy, jealousy. And he says something like that. But he's not all that brutal about it, but if you know, you know. I'm going to allow him to to make this comment, then I will tell you what I feel about what he said. Just listen. No, listen.
The IPOB in the DOS and Uche na Samoru, they are all united against their now newfound enemy, Simon Hepa. Man, only soon will they can see one as well, yes, Simon support. Kidisi Hana, Koi, how you can agori. In Hendy and Mezikitabo, because na Simon outshine them and put them into oblivion. Hanand Nigerian Army, Nigerian Police, DSS na Lokita.
Okay, Nania. It is no longer hidden. And I'm surprised that it's coming out from Uche Mefor. For some of you that don't know who is talking, this is Uche Mefor for you. He is the Uche Mefor. I'm surprised he's saying this because his best friend Ikenga is one of the people that are actually doing what he's saying here, which is very, very bad. But I thank God that he confirmed that he testified that it's bad. Okay? The issue of someone kind of supporting someone is not clear to me, so I don't want to venture into that. But everybody have their own opinion, especially when they are no when you perceive the person to be your enemy, you want to outshine or trying to present yourself as somebody who knows what he's saying or what he's doing. So I'm not gonna go into that now.
Simon aka ndị otu Simon City gbuo Simon zọgbuo Simon mana ajụjụ na-ajụ aka unu ọ dị ọcha pọnka IPOB ndị DOS.
So you cannot connect the dots. You cannot connect the dots by yourself. I don't need to tell you much about anything because it is very, very clear. Very, very, very clear. They are busy pointing hands, and that's their own agitation. That's their own agitation, and they're celebrating it. Like I said, I'm surprised that he's saying that because his right-hand man is the the leader of what he said, what he just said now. Anyway, I don't want to go to that extent because everything has time to be unveiled. So that is it. I can say now. So my people, thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe and like the video. Very important. See you again. Bye bye for now.